Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this really nice 2019 Isuzu NPR HD gas truck. It does have the 6-liter gas GM engine in it, and it is a 14.5 GVW truck. Before we jump into that walk around, we want to make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time we put new equipment on, you'll be notified and you can check it out. We bring our trucks in from our leasing department, which this particular truck came from, or from our customers' trade-ins. Once we do that, we run them through a 150-point check through the check the cabs, bodies, brakes, tires. Any discrepancies that are found on these trucks, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC cleanup and put them online for our customers to take a look at. On top of the 150-point check, this truck has had the engine oil filter, fuel filter done, and has been pre-qualified for an AGWS extended warranty. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As with all the little cab Fords, plenty of places to get a hold of, get up in here. We got a really nice captain's driver's seat, 2-person bench seat, so you can have a crew of 3. Great outward visibility with the great upward visibility being a cab over. It gives the truck a smaller footprint also compared to a conventional truck where the front axle's out over the front of the truck. We've got AM, FM, CD radio, air conditioning, cruise control, and this particular truck has powered mirrors. And the nice thing about the Isuzu power mirrors, it controls the large mirror and the spot mirror. So your guy can adjust both those on both sides from the driver's seat, which is a really nice safety option. As we said, it does have the 6-liter gas. It's an automatic transmission, so this truck is relatively easy to drive. And as we said, this is a 2019, and you can tell it's been really well taken care of, as clean as it is. It's been a good ride for you to put your guys in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Industrial Power has been an Isuzu dealer for over 30 years. So we know what it is to give service before, during, and after the sale of the truck. As we said, this is a 14.5 GVW truck. On the gas truck, it's got the 19.5-inch tires on it. We have got the Catcage already mounted on this truck, so we put a body on it. The guys can't get to your catalytic converters and cut those off. Really nice safety option. This chassis is set up, it's a 150-inch. It'll go between a 16 and 18-foot body. We can either get one for you, or if you have a truck just sitting around with that size body, we can take that body off and set it on this chassis and get that bed back to being useful and making money for you again. Even though this is a cabin chassis, no matter what size bed you put on it, we can still take and wrap everything up with your name, your graphics, your designs, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're rolling down the road. Again, really nice 2019 Isuzu NPR HD gas truck, 14.5 GVW. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, our Facebook page. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new product on, you'll be notified and you can take a look at it. Stick with us for a second. We'll tilt the cab on this truck, get it started, and give you a little more intimate walk around of the truck. And as always, we do appreciate your time.